cut across to breaking news coming in. A new security feature that has been added to the CoWIN digital platform, a 4-digit security code that has been introduced to minimize the errors for online bookings or appointments operational from the 8th of May 2021. Republic has been getting you details of how there has been heavy traffic on the portal, given that all adults have been made eligible for the vaccination from the 1st of May, and which is why, to be able to better the functioning of the CoWIN app, now a new security feature has been introduced. It has been added on the CoWIN digital platform. It will be a 4-digit security code that has been now put into use to minimize the errors for online bookings or online appointments, and this primarily will be operational from the 8th of May 2021. We'll try and go across to one of my colleagues to get further details of how this will function and how this will make it easier in comparison to how the app has functioned so far. But the government has been able or rather is trying to accommodate as many people as possible, and given the heavy traffic on the CoWIN portal, where now all those above the age of 18 are eligible for the vaccination and have been trying to register on the app, have also been facing trouble. But to be able to ease out all these errors, the portal is now introducing a 4-digit security code. Niranjan is picking up more on the same. He's with us on the broadcast. Over to you, Niranjan. Alright, so I'm not too sure if Niranjan is still connected with us, but as according to the officials working on the portal, they have also said that it's been noticed that in some instances that citizens had booked their appointment for COVID vaccination through the CoWIN portal, but did not actually go for the vaccination on the scheduled date. And they've received a notification through SMS that a vaccine dose has been administered to them. Upon examination, it has been found that such occurrences have largely been on the account of the vaccinator wrongly marking the citizen as vaccinated, and hence that instance of a data entry error by the vaccinator. So to get rid of such errors, they are now introducing this feature. I believe Niranjan is back with us. Niranjan, elaborate on this feature.
Well, it's a 4-digit security code. Essentially what happens is, when you try and log in, just to give you an idea, you search by PIN or search by district, right? So what happens is when you search, for example, let's take Delhi and any district in Delhi, and what happens is when you search and there are slots available. Now this is the app, and just to give you an idea, you see, so these are the slots available. So what essentially happens and what has been noticed so far, now what the CoWIN app makers are saying is that in some instances, citizens had booked their appointment for the COVID vaccination through this CoWIN portal, but did not actually go for the vaccination on the scheduled date and had received verification through SMS that a vaccine dose has been administered even though they did not get the vaccine. So they're saying that some who registered got the message that they got the vaccination, but they actually had not received the dose. And upon examination, the CoWIN app makers also found out that this has largely been occurring on account of the vaccinator wrongly marking the citizen as vaccinated. There is an instance of a data entry error by the vaccinator. So they feel that that was a scope for error in terms of the numbers that were showing up and the data that was showing up on who actually got vaccinated and who didn't. And in order to minimize such errors and the subsequent inconvenience, the CoWIN system is introducing a new feature of 4-digit security code. 4-digit security code, and this kicks in tomorrow, that is the 8th of May. Now, after verification, if the beneficiary has been found as eligible before administering the vaccine dose, the verifier or the vaccinator will ask the beneficiary. So now when you go for the vaccine, you will be asked for a 4-digit, essentially you will be asked for a 4-digit code, and then you will have to enter the same in the CoWIN system to correctly record the vaccination status. So that's another scope for error that has been reduced after this new feature is rolled in. So that's an update that we had in the newsroom as far as the fight on COVID-19 is concerned, and the vaccination program especially. Handing it back to you.